Welcome to the channel of Tax Help Office. My name is Tai Nguyen. I am an enrolled agent and owner here at the office. We are located in downtown San Jose of California. In today's topic, we will discuss about the new deduction for car loan interest under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. The official name on this deduction is called the No Tax on Car Loan Interest. This provision allows a maximum of $10,000 interest deduction on car loans for single filers with modified adjusted gross income or MAGI under $100,000 and married filing jointly filers with MAGI under $200,000. The provision begins to phase out after $100,000 and $200,000 for single filers and jointly filers, respectively. This provision becomes completely unavailable for single filers with MAGI over $150,000 and $250,000 for joint filers. The no tax on car loan interest will allow you to deduct the lower amount of the total interest you paid during the calendar year, or $10,000. For example, you pay a total of $11,000 on interest for a car loan you take out in 2025. Then you can only deduct a total amount of $10,000 on your tax return for this interest deduction. Likewise, if you paid a total of $8,000 on interest for car loans you take out in calendar year 2025, you can only deduct $8,000 for the interest deduction for the year 2025. Now, what are the requirements for this provision beside the income limits? Well, the car loan must be for new vehicle purchase on or after January 1st, 2025 to December 31st, 2028 for personal use only. This means that this provision is only temporary for tax year 2025, 2026, 2027, and 2028. And furthermore, used vehicles do not qualify for this provision. The vehicle you purchase must be a car, SUV, pickup truck, minivan, van, or motorcycle that has a gross vehicle weight rating of less than 14,000 pounds. If the car is purchased for business use, then we have to use the rules that are specific for business vehicle. This provision would not be allowed for business use vehicle. The car loan must come from a qualified lender, be secured by a lien on the vehicle, originated on or after January 1st, 2025. Now, loans from friends or family do not count for this provision. Lastly, the new vehicle must have its final assembly be made in the United States. In order to find out where the vehicle was made, we can use the VIN decoder on the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website. There, when you type in your VIN, your vehicle identification number, you will be able to find out whether or not your car was finally assembled in the United States or not. As for reporting purposes, taxpayer will be required to submit Form Schedule 1A with their vehicle's VIN. or vehicle identification number in order to claim the no tax on car loan interest deduction. It is recommended for taxpayer who claim this deduction to maintain signed loan agreement, vehicle purchase documents, and monthly loan statements in case of an audit. Now, the signed loan agreement will give us a clue of where the loan originated from. The vehicle purchase documents will show us that the vehicle was purchased on or after January 1st, 2025. And the monthly loan statements will allow us to calculate the total interest the taxpayer paid during the calendar year. As for the lender's side, lenders are required to issue Form 1098-VIL or Vehicle Loan Interest Statement for any interest payments totaling $600 or more. Now, for calendar year 2025, lenders are not necessarily required to issue 1098 VIL just yet. They just only need to give you a statement of the total interest you paid. Now, moving on from calendar year, for tax year 2026, lenders are required to issue you Form 1098-VLI for your tax reporting purposes. Now, finally, the no tax on car loan interest may be beneficial to your tax return. In order to find out whether or not it's beneficial, you need to discuss this situation further with your tax preparer, as each case is uniquely different. However, if you are in need of an enrolled agent to help you with your tax return this season, look no further than the Tax Help Office, located on 115 North 4th Street of San Jose, California. As an enrolled agent, I will ensure to provide you with the best tax advice that best suit your tax situation. In my opinion, I value quality time with my clients over anything else. And lastly, as a slogan of our office, at the Tax Help Office, you can rest assured that your help has arrived. And if you do really need the help or you want a consultation, feel free to reach us at 408-772-8981. Again, my name is Tai Nguyen, and I am an enrolled agent at Tax Help Office with the phone number 408-772-8981. Thank you.